Aloha biology students. I hope you all had a nice restful weekend. This is the last week of quarter two. This is week 5 of quarter two. And I just want to bring your attention right now that everything for quarter two that you want graded needs to be turned in by Friday at 2 p.m. Okay, Friday at 2 p.m. is the deadline. So quarter two, this is the second quarter. So after we finish this week, we'll be halfway done with this class, which is pretty awesome. Keep in mind that your quarter two grade and your quarter one grade are averaged together to give you a semester one grade. So we're going to have spring break, and then after that, we're starting semester two of this class. And quarters 3 and 4 will be the second part of your grade. So let's say you got an A for quarter one and a C for quarter two, you would get somewhere like a B, like those two grades are averaged together, so you would get something like a B for your semester one grade. I hope that makes sense. So if you're missing a lot of stuff from quarter two, this is the time to catch up. Notice you only have these 2 sections to get through, and then we're done. So if you're, behind, maybe you skip the meeting on Monday, and none of you, I don't think, are going to the field trip on Thursday. So use this time wisely to get caught up, because I will not accept anything after 2 p.m. on Friday. Okay? If you want it graded with this quarter two timeline. All right. So anything turned in before 2 p.m. I will count and I will grade and include with your quarter two grade. Okay. All right. So what are we doing this week? Quarter two, week 5. We have Jerome. Some of you might know him as Junior. He also goes by Junior, with Namoku Aupuni o Ko'olahui coming in on Monday to talk to us. So I'm going to be hosting a live Google Meets. I'm going to send that message out to all of you distance learners in a Schoology message, so you can hop on and just tune in and, listen to what he has to say, talk about the work that they do, and, you can have a chance to ask any questions you want as well. After that, Tuesday and Wednesday, we're finishing up chapter 10. Now, this topic, cellular respiration, is like photosynthesis. It's very, very, very complex. There's lots happening in it. And the standard that you need to know is basically like how to model this idea of cellular respiration. What do you need? What are the reactants you need? What are the products you get? What is the overall process of it? So I have you guys not reading 10.2 and doing notes, because it is really complex. And as a 10th grade biology student, you don't need to know every single step and all the fine details of what happens. Your book is really great, and it gives you that. So if you are interested in this, please by all means go take a look at 10.2. But I don't want you to get too discouraged or bogged down in all the details, because it's pretty heavy biology. And like I said, as a 10th grade biology student, you don't need to know all the specific steps. What they're more concerned about, the high school standards are more concerned about, is how you can model this. So you see here that I'm doing a demo in class. What we're essentially doing is having everyone play a different role, and we're kind of tracking these carbon molecules as they come in as that 6-carbon glucose molecule. So you guys won't get this demo in person. I'm going to see if Martha can record it, and maybe I can upload it, and that might help with your understanding. But I think that this Edpuzzle does a really good job of explaining the whole process. And again, it is a little bit more than you need to know. But when you watch this, I want you to focus on where are those carbons all going, and what do I need to do cellular respiration? What are the main products that I get out of it? Okay, so follow the carbons, follow the oxygens. What is the role of oxygen playing? And then what are our products? Our products are energy, our H2O, and our CO2. Okay, so really take note of what is going in and what is coming out. All right. And all those middle steps, you're not going to be tested on all those middle steps at the end of this course with your state exam. Okay. So do this Edpuzzle, and then do the 10.2 homework. You might need to crack open your book to 10.2 to do this homework. So use that as a resource, but I'm not asking you to do notes and reading for this 10.2 section, okay? Once we move to 10.3, I do want you to read and do notes, and then the homework, and then we have the field trip to KNI with Uncle Junior guys on Thursday. And then on Friday, we're going to do a lab on fermentation. So this will kind of like finish up our chapter 10 stuff. So if you want to come in this lab, you're more than welcome to. We are making ginger brew and root beer, like ginger beer and root beer. They're non-alcoholic, of course, but we're fermenting them to kind of like solidify what we learned in 10.3 and that like some organisms can undergo cellular respiration in an anaerobic environment, right? Where oxygen is not available. So we're going to make our own homemade ginger beer and root beer. Again, they're non-alcoholic. So come in on Friday if you want to do that. They're going to ferment over spring break, and then when we come back after spring break, you guys will be able to drink those and taste the fruits of your fermentation labor. And then that's it for this week. So yes, make sure that you have turned everything in for quarter 2 by 2 p.m. on Friday. Got it? Okay, are there any questions about your Kuleana this week? If not, I hope you have a great, productive day. Tune into our meeting on Monday. I'm going to start at 9 a.m. I'll send the link out. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing great. And let me know if you have any questions. Like always, I'm here for you. I'll respond as soon as I can. Don't forget to do your attendance. And I think that takes care of all of my announcements. I feel like I sound like a broken record. Anyways, hope you guys are doing great and hope to hear from you soon or see you soon in person. And yeah, take care. Have a great day. Bye.